meow, meow, meow. The friendly cat walk goes meow, meow, meow. Purring softly, taking a bow. It chases a ball and naps in the sun. A cozy friend who loves to have fun. Meow, meow, meow. The cat plays all day, purring, stretching in a happy way. Meow, meow, meow. With a gentle purr, the friendly cat is always sure. The friendly cat loves to play with strings and curl up tight when the night bird sings. With whiskers twitching and eyes so bright, the cat's a friend both day and night. Meow, meow, meow. The cat plays all day, purring, stretching in a happy way. Meow, meow, meow. With the gentle purr, the friendly cat is always sure. When you meet a friend who's soft and sweet, the friendly cat is a special treat. With cuddles and purrs and playful cheer, the friendly cat is always near. Meow, meow, meow. The cat plays all day, purring, stretching in a happy way. Meow, meow, meow. With the gentle purr, the friendly cat is always sure.
Subscribe to my channel.